Hello everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back. Today we're going to draw something truly special, a cozy Christmas scene. Let's begin with the very top of our picture. First, we'll draw the star, the bright little hero that sits right on top of the Christmas tree. Now, let's move down to the tree itself. From the star, draw a big triangle shape, spreading wide at the bottom. We'll make it look fluffy and full with little zigzag lines for branches. Imagine the tree smelling fresh and piney, just like the real ones that people bring home for Christmas. Keep the shape soft and natural, like snow might be resting gently on its tips. Next, let's add the decorations that wrap around the tree. Start near the top and draw curved lines that go around like ribbons or garlands. They can twist a little as they go down, because no Christmas tree is perfectly straight, right? Make them flow from left to right, getting wider as they reach the bottom of the tree. Soon we'll make them sparkle with lights and color, but for now, just focus on their shapes. Great! Now let's add the ornaments. These are the fun round shapes that hang from the branches. You can draw small circles all over the tree, big ones near the bottom, smaller ones near the top. They look simple now, but once we color them, they'll shine like tiny planets. Each ornament can have its own little story. Later, I'll tell you some cool science about why glass ornaments sparkle the way they do. Now, at the bottom of the tree, it's time to draw two presents. Draw two rectangles, each with a cute bow on top. One can be square and the other a little taller. Make sure the ribbons cross in the middle and tie in to big, fluffy loops. They should look so nice that you almost want to unwrap them. Don't worry, we'll make them colorful soon. Next, let's decorate the background. Behind the tree, we'll draw two picture frames hanging on the wall. The first frame can have a big snowflake inside. Just draw a star shape and add small arms branching out. It'll look delicate, like real frozen crystals. In the second frame, let's draw a small sailing ship. It's a funny little idea, maybe a reminder of warm summer adventures, even on a snowy night. Now, on the right side of the wall, let's draw a large, arched window. The top of the window is curved like a rainbow. Add a few lines to show the window panes. Outside, tiny snowflakes are falling gently from the sky. You can make them as dots or tiny stars, each one different, just like real snowflakes. We'll talk more about why no two snowflakes are ever the same later. Down by the window, let's add more gifts. Draw a big gift box beside the Christmas tree on the right. It should be tall and proud with a big ribbon on top. Then, next to it, draw another, smaller box. And finally, one more box behind the two, peeking out just a little, like it's hiding in the back. Now we have a mountain of gifts ready for Christmas morning. Look at that. Our scene is coming to life. We have the shining star, the decorated tree, the cozy pictures on the wall, the snowy window, and the pile of gifts waiting below. Everything looks peaceful and bright. All right, everyone. Now that our Christmas scene is ready, it's time to bring it to life while I tell you some amazing secrets hidden inside everything we've just drawn. You see, Christmas isn't just about magic. It's full of real science and stories that are just as incredible. So as we color, get ready to discover things you probably never knew about trees, stars, snow, gifts, and even Santa himself. Ready? Let's go! 1. The secret life of the Christmas tree. Let's start with the Christmas tree. Have you ever wondered why people always choose pine trees for Christmas instead of normal leafy trees? The answer is simple. Pine trees are like nature's superheroes. Most trees lose their leaves in winter to save water, but pine trees don't. Their thin, needle-shaped leaves are covered with a tiny, waxy coat that keeps moisture locked inside. Even when it's freezing cold, they stay green, breathing quietly under the snow. In a way, they're like the trees that never give up, always alive, always shining, even in the hardest season. Maybe that's why we decorate them, because they remind us to stay strong and hopeful through the cold. And there's another secret. When you bring a pine tree into your home, it fills the air with a smell called pinene. That scent actually helps people relax and focus. So yes, your Christmas tree is not just beautiful, it's scientifically calming your brain. 2. The star and the real stars above. Now, look at the star we drew on top of the tree. It's a symbol of light and hope, right? But real stars, the ones shining up in the sky, are even more amazing. Every star you see is a gigantic ball of burning gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, glowing because of nuclear fusion happening inside. That's when atoms crash together and release enormous energy, the same process that powers the sun. The light from some of those stars has been traveling for thousands of years just to reach your eyes tonight. So when you see a star twinkling above the snow, you might actually be seeing ancient light, a message from the past shining in the present. Kind of magical, isn't it? But it's all real science. 3. The mystery of the snowflakes. Now, look outside our window in the drawing. The snow is falling. Did you know that every snowflake that lands on the ground has a completely different shape? No two are the same, not one in the billions that fall every year. Here's why. Snowflakes start as tiny ice crystals in clouds, forming around a speck of dust or pollen. As they fall through air, they pass through different layers of temperature and humidity. That makes each flake grow in its own special way, branching, curling, stretching, until it becomes one of a kind. And here's something cool. Every snowflake has exactly 6 sides. That's because water molecules naturally connect at 60-degree angles when they freeze, forming hexagons. Nature has perfect geometry, and it happens right above our heads. So the next time you catch a snowflake on your glove, you're holding a tiny masterpiece made by the laws of physics. 4. The mystery of why snow is so quiet. Have you noticed that when snow falls, the world suddenly gets quieter? It's not just your imagination. Snow actually absorbs sound. Each snowflake has a soft, uneven surface that traps air and muffles noise. It's like the earth is covered with a giant, fluffy blanket that whispers, shh. That's why snowy nights feel calm and peaceful. Nature literally turns down the volume. Science calls this acoustic absorption, but we just call it cozy. 5. The lights that twinkle like magic. Now let's imagine the tree all lit up with tiny Christmas lights. Long ago, people used real candles on their trees. Yes, actual flames. Beautiful, but very risky. Then came electricity, and everything changed. The very first electric Christmas tree was lit up in 1882 by Edward H. Johnson, a friend of Thomas Edison. He used 80 small bulbs, and people thought it was pure magic. But here's the truth. When electricity flows through a wire, it makes electrons move so fast they release energy as light. Modern LED lights are even cooler. They glow when tiny particles bounce inside a crystal called a semiconductor. That's why LEDs are bright, safe, and last for years. So when your lights twinkle, remember, it's not magic, it's electrons dancing. 6. The story behind the gifts. All right, now let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the gifts under the tree. We love giving and receiving presents, but have you ever wondered why it feels so good to give something? Scientists say that when you give a gift, your brain releases a special chemical called oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone. It makes you feel warm, happy, and connected to others. That's right, kindness is good for your health. It lowers stress, helps your heart, and even boosts your immune system. So the spirit of giving isn't just emotional, it's biological. You could say that science itself designed us to enjoy sharing joy. And there's one more secret. When you wrap a present, your brain starts imagining the surprise waiting inside. That moment of curiosity that, I wonder what's in there, also releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel excitement. So even before you open a gift, your brain is already celebrating. 7. Santa and the speed of light. Now, here's a question that always comes up. How can Santa possibly deliver presents to millions of kids in just one night? Let's do a little fun math. If Santa visits 500 million homes in one night, that's about 36,000 seconds. He'd need to stop at 14,000 homes every single second. Sounds impossible, right? Unless he bends the rules of physics. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, when you move close to the speed of light, time slows down for you compared to everyone else. So if Santa traveled that fast, he could experience many more hours than we do, enough to visit every home. And maybe his sleigh isn't pulled by regular reindeer. Maybe it uses a little quantum trick, or even tiny wormholes that open shortcuts through space-time. Crazy, maybe, but science says it's not impossible. So the next time you hear bells in the night, just remember, physics might be helping Santa out. 8. Reindeer superpowers. Speaking of reindeer, did you know they have some amazing natural abilities? Real reindeer can run up to 80 kilometers per hour and survive in freezing Arctic temperatures. Their noses warm the air before it reaches their lungs, and their eyes can change color from gold in summer to blue in winter. That helps them see better in dim light. And what about Rudolph's famous glowing nose? That might come from something real too, bioluminescence. It's the same natural glow that makes fireflies light up. In theory, if Rudolph had special cells that produced glowing proteins, his nose could really shine in the dark. So maybe Santa's reindeer aren't magical, just scientifically extraordinary. 9. The science of Christmas smells. You know that wonderful Christmas smell? Pine, cinnamon, cookies, and chocolate? It's not just nostalgia, it's chemistry at work. The fresh scent of pine comes from a molecule called pinene. It helps your brain relax and even boosts concentration. Cinnamon's spicy warmth comes from a chemical called cinnamaldehyde, which literally activates the pleasure center in your brain. And the delicious smell of baked cookies? That's the Maillard reaction, when heat mixes sugar and protein, creating hundreds of tiny aroma molecules. So when your home smells like Christmas, it's actually chemistry spreading happiness in the air. 10. The science of why Christmas music feels so good. And then there's the sound of Christmas, the jingling bells, the laughter, the songs we've heard since we were little. Music can change your mood faster than almost anything else. When you hear a song like Jingle Bells, your brain releases dopamine, the happiness chemical. If you sing along, your heartbeat actually syncs with others around you. That's why caroling feels so connected. It's not just tradition, it's human biology at work. Even the sound of bells, high, clear, and sparkly, tells your brain, be happy. It's built into the way we hear sound frequencies.
Wow, look at this beautiful picture.